Okay, so this one is going to be a little bit different than what we've been doing so far. And this is like way down the line in terms of Ethernet evolution, but I wanted to, I got something, this is what I got for Christmas, which really just shows how nerdy I actually am. My wife got me a 10-base T1L kit. So I'm just unboxing it here. So this looks like the main board to which I attach stuff to. Yeah, main board, there you go. And then there's a bunch of components in here that I have not in any way figured out what they do yet. And then there's a second main board. And I believe that when I'm done putting this all together and figuring out how to flash code onto it, which I have not yet, then I'll be able to connect these together. And this is a single pair Ethernet SPE. This is just a very short wire, half a meter. It is meant to simulate a long distance Ethernet connection. And this particular relatively new standard is primarily targeted at industrial uses for places where regular Ethernet doesn't make sense, or it's just too costly to run eight or four pair or 8 conductors, or even 2 pairs, 4 conductors. And I believe it's meant for noisy environments and things where you really don't need high bandwidth. You just want to be able to connect sensors and actuators together. I think it goes up to 1 kilometer, which is further than any other Ethernet standard that I know off the top of my head that's not based on fiber optics. Anyway, okay, so this will make an appearance again later, but I thought I would just share this with you. It's pretty cool.